Uti said ye. Osu ayam tuo bini ko bubu aton. De bia o de wo asem ka violence abua. O ka se nko ana na onim violence ye na wo chimi ne ye o ken na ye o de. Abua fruit is o.
All right. Abusia for nyame shra bibia. Aha, I Ghana Sam TV. Best say abu subscribe to the channel and no fama dwen chira e wo comment section. Obetima turning on the notification time anytime be any video of this kind by Babiano, you'll be the first person to see it. Nyame shra nyina.
Kennedy osiso ni interview okoye ya. Wo de hwe interview ni netie ni ye. Oye so pain, so bitter. Host no kura wo mana no nsi no jump in. No ye na asa wa bob obi ato ho bo penipa na ache na re Kennedy. Na wo obi exist. Wo a wuti mu adwene. Ye yi fa ato adwene kura wo se wo exist. Wo so wo toto mane doctor wo no wo mu akro he ne campaign because wo no hu se wo na wo exist. E na mpa so wo exist. MPP ni biara a wo ye MPP ni mapa. A NDC moja mfrem. Etimu se wo exist e wo MPP mu. Wo chese dede hunu afaso ni so e na wo ye nsem hunu kwase asem jimisem. Ne se Dr. Bawomia obi odidi watem doctor eya we na onim na ene wo na atoshi ne nkrofo so e abronye nya wo no adamfo ne abronye wo ni abronye ne kɔ nakra na ene na abronye ehu sese wo nye papa enti wonni wachi ene de wo se e doctor wanfa wo jimi ni uti na ayese kora na amfiri wankɔ no anu abuagum wo te wo hwefo awafon hwefo awafon wo je na awu wafon akase etontorwa wo bana wo si yayi US na wo na wo CS akora na wo wi cocaine etu wato na twene ne kona ne nko ye unity kona ko pe wo ne nka bomu mie ansa na waba se wo be pe MPP wasi ani mu jimifo a wia light ayi wo coastal ho light na wia e na ade ye sa na wo bebi mama no wo be ka se no ne wo ne wia light kromfo be ma wo tu odwene Ghana ho kwasi uti said Osu ayam tuo bini ko bubu aton. De bia o de wo asem ka violence abua. O ka se nko ana na onim violence ye na wo chimi ne ye o ken na ye o de. Abua fruit is o. Afa de obi face wa wo fi se MPP fo nyina na omo bua fu because wo chimi. Wo ye traitor. Abua na kwa me plus ni nua na omo kasa ma we na mboa wo bua no e ma ne wi ni ye nti aye wuti na osin abu ogum se de ono mboa was wo sen wa no as onu bunto jimifo wo de Christmas ye wo mpaibom ma yenwie ye beba beto wo ha wo te won kwase asem ko na wo di wo bie wa no kotena UTV mpohwe kwase asem a wo kan ho ne yemfa nkosi hin no akanya asasem wo de wa jimi sana me se ado asafo kura ne hu tokuro mienu a wadi ne na wo mumba wono kura se akwa we ya jimi ye nto amba ma no na wo be ma katati a wo nso ni anam ho a wo tokuro ba ko a kyerebo ne ne wo na nso beto amakwase awe de mu fa mu jimi ifiri ho nko asia tokwa na wo 31st January no wa beti ni su a obesu no wo wi afa kwase abra ne ye beba wo no.
They are now portraying on their platform, the pastor's platform, that if an education minister can fight for Muslims to dismantle the Christian mission schools, what if a Muslim becomes a president? That is the agenda. Do you get the point now?
Okay.
So that is the agenda. And these people, because my younger brother is a prophet, he is on the platform. So he give me information about the platform. And now they want to bribe the small pastors and the small prophet to project this agenda by December 31st. Into Mudombo 31st, they will start saying that Nyanku Ponsi and Sanfa President John Mahama Embra. And you know, so for penny the kind Abeka, somewhat, and I know
That means you.
Oh, Archbishop Abeka.
Bishop near
Archbishop Duncan William.
not just Africa in it.
We cried Sunday, last week Sunday was
saying the realms of the spirit.
Yeah, where Sisu be where they were saying, Sir President John Mahama Amate Tama Yanshina, sorry. And the kind of respect asɔfo ni bebree de ma no nintino we group leader. And you know, ono ankasa no oni owusu bempani Muslims were problem. Because some years back, oko preaching bi Emma Muslims ne say anko ya mom, so they attacked the man personally. They went to his office. Since then, on person betting Muslim biya edin so oba president to Krumha. And waka say so no tiasia the Muslim MA president of Ghana. So it's not a simple issue we are dealing with. You see, at first, all of them never liked Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. But because they don't want a Muslim, all of them are now beginning to love Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. They hate him with passion. When you work, so who group now, or no crowd, no mubenya kanyami in free. But today, because of Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, they have picked him. They have selected Honorable Ken. All the pastors want Honorable Ken to come, including Kofi Amponsa, Ezra. To the extent that Kofi Amponsa so say, "Wono, ninya nkupon se so ono so tiasie no." Dr. Bawumia ntimi me president that.
When the son of can practice 2024 elections.
Wasaka biem. Eti agenda ni de egu and then na me tire say so
so when it happens that way mon so amunim form a mo ya adwuma de ama Dr. Bawumia no, what do?
Yes, baby, dear Yan say, ya akwankyere ba baby a ye suro ni say, a true baby or no Dr. Bawumia ni spirit pay human sacrifice. Into your true side extent na ni aka.
I was somebody human sacrifice you can Hong Kong.
No, as of now, more Casan obi no when you human sacrifice. All of them they do it.
Hey,
now PSC
most say ni papa, most say ni papa.
I am telling you now. What we say, why should a pastor be on the pulpit and curse people? Wouldn't go for us of working. These people called prophet, do you know how many people they have destroyed in this country? A lot.
Now more grandmasters, so grandfathers, so much and I'm on chain.
A dear near by Nina Enna, Yemu Jasem. Human sacrifice, and Yena, because
this is a true human sacrifice, number Omia, as one penny. Nothing and not much I'm like as I was Mackay, so definitely that's not going to happen.
Anuntina 2024, Yajama and Kayam. But in 2028, there be 2028, they will not get the sacrifice now, Munya or ordinary people, no. 2028, so we hear human sacrifice, a better top leaders. What you are seeing? I want to say, never ban.
And you say, question would that ordinary.
Yes, because they beat us. It is what called SC. They say to another level. So when you want to go to another level, it's either the main boss will go or that the vice will go. That is the extent we have reached.
Wow.
Entinya bayreto. But me person me can say bi. Share NPP ni NDC won. NPP for war. A straight eighter, a tabum without a problem. But NDC sacrificial lambs nintino. They don't have a straight eight for a single person. Menoka say in the next 40 years, NDC ain't mean for being to us unko 80 da. Wabra, mi ununi ni abeko. NC. Ebeya 4-4. Ubetwa for no akwaba abetwa for nyesa ubetwa for na ba akokọ na ba akotwa the other for. Te said the MPP timide Akufo-Addo ne Dr. Bawumia twa 8 no. So it means we NDC this current generation. And NDC betting.
That's what they say fear because yeah, whom you knew whom called to be doing. That's how they will come who never be a good public class trial.
Oh, Debbie, Omoya, Omunim. Media maker, and yes, Omunimo. The America Omunimpa. And I'm a catcher, Miss 31st. Would the 31st over it and some are more prepared. Some will be a training Diogo. Now, dear Bakua, soon Sumuno Abua Ghana, and say the NPP can never cause a war. But the NPP did about 16 years. The next 4 years, no, or the fight about GF NPP for them. That is how it is. But the NPP for NDC can go 16 years by having sacrificing. No more diako. And almost so much me almost sacrificing in no cost 16 years now. PSA, so munya free so a bet take another 40 years and say almost waba. It is say no election na you call Kurumano. And yet men kotwaba mawe men kotwaba there be say the manipulation kwa. And yet near to a baby. A manipulation. And unti na me too nkofo say a drew election just kajie die na ya wa destiny na wudi no enkwaji sika nsa no akoto aba
Eti campaign be na omo ya no nyana they say a campaign any waste of resources say
waste of resources
What then do I have waste my time? Men say fool, men say sika, time, energy, or you risk your life. So kuko go phone my I engage you on when if I do near daddy. So there's a waste of time. I mean, like you got to go.
Yeah, my instance beer. Na me so be a challenge. Me catch yourself on say, if not that you people manipulate the voters, why do you need a candidate from a political party before you and your God can make him a president? Why do you need that? Here's what the American say. And Kasofo, Usi Nyankupon Atla say, PSA and a Bayer president. I don't know SMP before the Kotu Abamano.
Okay.
What you say?
Because straight na ranka or
straight na no you know. What you say? Enka straight na anase said ye beya ye beji unyankopon na dininti. Said ye beya ye beji unyankopon na dinti. Na ne wo na kofa ebia CPP ana PNC party bi agu. No one nipa ni di free wire then abedi president ni atia say you don't manipulate anybody. You don't do any rituals to get anybody. O rituals be a neutral. So what you say? But so you will be free MPP mudia. Then I know say you are working against MPP.
Ebusanfo na me ani mu ne medwen Ghana fo bi ho aya na me ho adwen kora ewo mutim. No, I can't think far. Mose saying ye papa John Dramani Mahama onko tete. Da mama fi se Ghana fo ye Jimmy ana mo fi se Ghana fo nim nyansa onko tete. Na no brabe na wabo as president nti e we se onko tete brabe na wabo ye papa John Dramani Mahama monka mo a mo hye kira mo Jimmy sa no mo ye sa Jimmy sem no brabe na papa John Dramani Mahama abo he asofo mo tete wo asofo mo tete wo ayenfo mo tete wo mo pese Ghana say mo pese Ghana bo de bia me kan hwe mo e by lock amodi aka wo man mo di papa John Dramani Mahama aba na mo di by lock aka o man mo pese by lock ekoso e kan o man mo nyesa mo pre tete brabe me se brabe na wabo ba ye de be mpa na waye ni tiema na tete obi a lay foundation papa bi gold for oil foundation papa bi ya to from Kwame Nkrumah time ɛbɛpɛ mo nnɛ gold dodoɔ a nana adoba wɔ mi atɔ aguɔ ama ɛkyirimba ɛne nti nneɛma ɛkɔ yie no mo sɛ yɛ papa John Dramani Mahama wayɛ de yɛn ɛnɛ mo nkɔ dwa so nkɔhwɛ ɛma no tete hɔ ɛde sɛbi ɔmo nsa ɛna mo yɛ de ayɛ ɔmo phone ɛnɛ amanfoɔ bosia koraa amanfoɔ koraa pɛ ɔmo de adi dwa koraa na ɔmo nya ɛna wokɔ dwa so a yɛn tɔhwee ɔmo sɔ do ɔmo sɔ ɔmo tete nneɛma so nneɛma bɛn na ɔmo tete so ɔmo tete nneɛma so because nneɛma na nkasa na ɔmo tete nneɛma no so na ɔmo tete prices so ɔmo nte hwee so nneɛma nkɔ things are not moving on things are slow things are stagnant nneɛma gyina faako na yɛsɛ yɛ papa John Dramani Mahama tɛɛtɛm ka Ghanafoɔ agyimi paa ka Ghanafoɔ nim nyansa koraa mo a mo kasa no mo nim nyansa sɛbi mo nim nyansa bia ne mutim ana mo fi sɛ yɛfa constitution yɛ adwuma yɛde constitution ɛyɛ adwuma oh wow ɛne tina NDC for mo pre yɛfa sɛ pandai seat ne others no oh ɛne mo gba because Ghanafoɔ nyimi yɛ koraa yɛbɛka sɛ yɛbɛyɛ papa John Dramani Mahama tɛɛtɛm for what ɔmfa mɛyɛ de yɛn ɔmfa ma mɛsɛe man na sɛ ɔmfa ma mɛbɔ Ghana koraa ɛna me ne wo kasa yi ɔmo a moyɛ ɔmo service national service for the past 3 months ne yɛntua wɔ mo ka obi yɛ adwuma for 1 full year yɛma no only 1 month pɛ amanfoɔ bra a ɛbrɛ making next year electricity ɛne water bill ɛbɛkɔ soro mo sɔre a mo sɛ yɛatete nneɛma bɛn na atete so nneɛma bɛn mo nka nneɛma a yɛatete so ɔmo sɛ na yɛatete mo so ɛne yɛatete anwa so na yɛatete ɔmo atete so because ɔmo ankasa no friends quantity no adeɛ no way ne quantity no ɔmo so ate so ɛna ɔmo ate so what are you talking about hwɛ yɛnyimi yo Ghanafoɔ nyimi yo Ghanafoɔ mmobɔ adam sɛ ɛbɛma kwanyama yɛ papa John Dramani Mahama asan ba for the third term aden NDC for ankasa mo kora ankasa no medwen ho a mente aseɛ nti mo pa kyɛ sɛ NDC mo sɛbe yɛne nkɔfoɔ mo nimdeɛ wo nyansa ɛwɔ NDC mo yɛ papa John Dramani Mahama nko a yeah, papa John Dramani Mahama nko a ensi no it's not in Ghana ensi wɔ Ghana ensi it will not happen ensi ɛwɔ Ghana nti mo asɔfoɔ mo ntena se why ahemfo apayimfoɔ na akɛsefoɔ mo ntena se na yɛma NDC foɔ ne Mahama kwan power drunk na mo nsɛe wɔ man Ghana yeah, papa John Dramani Mahama den na wogyi ne wɔ wiase a woba yɛ den na wogyi ne wɔ wiase Bible say sɛ wonya wiase agyapadeɛ nyina na wohwere wo nkwa a deɛ bɛn fa so na ɛwɔ so deɛ bɛn na wogye woba yɛ amambo toro kan nneɛma basa nneɛma nkɔ Christmas ne baba bɛdi o nanso yɛhwɛ deɛ nneɛma ɛkɔ mo say third term agenda it will not happen not in Ghana ebia na ɛyɛ kuro foforɔ so ba sɛ Ghana paa yɛ papa John Dramani Mahama third term ka Ghanafoɔ gyimi nokorɛ paa aka Ghanafoɔ gyimi na mo a mo 2 years mo ka sɛ o ɔnsan bra no nya I think sɛ mo nim nyansa crazy na yɛde agu ma adwem na nka woyɛ badwem ma na nka woda so nyɛ so na wodwe a ka wo nka sɛ papa John Dramani Mahama ɔnsan bra third term da biara da mo nim nyansa koraa